Are you a Christian over 50 who has been curious about yoga, but maybe you're feeling a little hesitant? I have created a program just for you called Christ-Centered Yoga for Beginners, a framework for freedom, flexibility, and faith after 50. Are any of these thoughts familiar? I'm just not flexible enough to do yoga. Will I be able to keep up with the younger people in class? I'm worried I'll look silly or won't understand what to do. And how does yoga even fit into my Christian faith? Now, imagine feeling confident stepping into your beginning yoga class, knowing exactly what the instructor is talking about and how you can modify any poses to fit your body. Picture yourself moving with more ease and freedom, feeling stronger and more confident, and more flexible, and even deepening your relationship with God through your movement and your breath. That's exactly what Christ-Centered Yoga for Beginners offers you. It starts at the very beginning. I break down poses step by step. No prior experience is needed. It's designed for your body. It's convenient and accessible, and you can do it at your own pace in the privacy of your own home. You will receive 16 comprehensive video lessons. That's 4 new lessons a week for 4 weeks. Some of the lessons will include a welcome and introduction, goal setting and journal prompts, an explanation of common yoga styles, how to use yoga props to modify for your own practice. You'll learn about topics that are often discussed in yoga classes, things like the use of energy, Sanskrit terms, and chanting. You'll learn a simple but effective breathing technique to use during your practice. You'll get the breakdown of 56 foundational yoga poses, specific advice for how to modify them for your body if needed. You'll learn more about the physical benefits of yoga and the spiritual benefits for your Christian faith. Each week, you'll get a video showing a full-length yoga practice using the poses we've discussed that week. Plus, we will pray together and have a lot of fun. As a bonus, you'll also receive a full-color workbook summarizing all of the information from the course and providing those journal prompts and goal-setting sheets. Now, all of that is a value of more than $400, but because this is the inaugural launch for Christ-Centered Yoga for Beginners, and because I'm so excited to hear your feedback about the course so I can make it even better in future launches, I'm making it available to you for only $47. If you still have questions, here's a few more answers. You might be wondering, I've never done yoga before. Is this program really for me? Yes, it's absolutely for you. I've designed this program for absolute beginners or those that have tried a few classes or maybe felt a little bit out of your comfort zone in a yoga class. If you're worried that you're not flexible enough, that's why you need to take a yoga class. It's designed to gently stretch your muscles, but flexibility takes time, so take it easy on yourself. You can absolutely do this. Are you wondering if you need any special equipment? Not really. You probably will want to get some sort of a mat but you could even use a towel if you don't have a yoga mat at home. I'll be showing you some other props that you might want to get as you practice, but nothing is needed to begin. If you're wondering about the time it will take, the 4 videos will vary. The full-length practice will be a little longer probably than the lessons, but you can take it at your own pace. Once you purchase the program, the lessons will be yours to keep forever. So there's no need to worry about completing the whole program in the 4 weeks' time. And if you're wondering if this program is truly Christian-based, it is. We will be incorporating prayer and scripture, and the goal is to help you deepen your Christian faith while you are helping your body feel better and get healthier. So join up today.